You gave him money. He walked out.
I feel like you should be. Can you just imagine walking around there by himself?
Like, what?
No, he's with Emily.
Oh, snap.
Oh, snap, snap. 1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, go.
The championship games.
No, I just feel like I'm gonna lose. Okay. Oh, it's like heavy on my heart.
Heavy on my heart, yeah. Oh my gosh. I don't even know what was that.
He's like, just throw him in the bio.
Oh.
Did that to me! I'm just gonna scream. I quit.
You already lost?
That is so Andrew.
Okay. You win. Morgan wins.
You.